guys, for today's video guys ay pupunta kami sa grocery guys, which is the Hyper U. Yes. And tara guys, samahan nyo kami guys. Tara guys, we are going to select a basket. Yes.
Yes, moment.
This one is at €10 guys. Very simple. Sandals nila guys. Slippers. Pala yung mga panindan nila na ready to eat na guys. Guys, ang dami guys, maraming mga ham, grabe, ang daming stocks guys. Mini hams. Ng mga bulak nila guys, mga herbal. Kita mo guys. Yes. Ako guys. Makikita guys yung department store, which is makikita natin yung mga sapatos tsaka botas guys, socks. Ito yung mga beauty product guys, lipstick tsaka yung mga beauty product. At dito natin makikita yung mga nakabattle ng mga biology ng mga product guys. Tingnan nyo guys, mga biology yan guys, very organic. At yung bigas nila guys is ganito guys, naka-carton siya at nakabukas. Yung bigas nila guys dito sa France guys, ito guys 1.2 kilogram. So magkano ito? It's €4.31, so which is if we are going to convert in the peso, it's 240 plus. So it's very expensive guys. Dito guys, ito yung mga fruit salad guys na nakalagay na sa box. Daming prutas guys. Sa prutas guys.